Tired of saying no when your child asks for something new? What if your child could earn it themselves? Introducing My Little Venture. We're a safe, parent-supervised online platform where kids aged 5 to 17 can launch short-term ventures. It's as easy as create, launch, earn. Kids choose what they want to offer. Parents guide them to set up a personalized campaign page, and friends and family can easily support their efforts and track progress. Kids can offer anything from physical products like arts and crafts, custom t-shirts, or gently used toys and books to digital creations such as personalized poems, drawings, or songs for special occasions. My Little Venture teaches kids vital life skills like money management, responsibility, and a strong work ethic. Most importantly, parents maintain full oversight and control to ensure your child's safety at every step. Visit mylittleventure.com today.